Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for quick and easy dinner ideas that are also wholesome and delicious? Look no further because today we're bringing you some one-pot wonders that will make your evening meals a breeze. First up, we have a hearty chicken and vegetable stir-fry that is packed with flavor and nutrients. Simply toss all the ingredients into one pot, let it simmer, and dinner is served in no time. Next, we have a comforting beef stew that is perfect for those chilly nights. With tender pieces of beef, carrots, potatoes, and a rich broth, this dish will warm your soul and fill your belly. If you're in the mood for something lighter, why not try our lemon garlic shrimp pasta? This dish is not only quick to make, but it's also bursting with zesty flavors that will leave you wanting more. And last but not least, we have a vegetarian option with our quinoa and black bean chili. Packed with protein and fiber, this dish is not only nutritious, but also incredibly satisfying. So whether you're a meat lover, a seafood enthusiast, or a plant-based eater, these one-pot wonders have something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and meal ideas. See you next time.